Hello all, and welcome back for another amazing video, and welcome back to our channel All Things With Us. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. We really appreciate the continued support. So in today's video, it's another bed transformation video. So this is the headboard that I'm going to deal with today, and as you can see on the screen, it has an arc or that shape on top of it, of which I'm going to be cutting it off to level it out, and then I'm going to add an adjustment layer. So you will see that later on the video. And if you've been following our videos, you will see that some headboards, I cut them off, others I leave them as they are. So I'm going to be making this adjustment layer, and then I'm going to add it on top of the main headboard. The other reason why I usually add this layer is to raise the headboard. Most clients want the headboard to be higher, because most bed you'll find them, they are at 3 feet high. So I usually raise them to 4 feet or to 5 feet, depending on my client's taste. So I hope you will enjoy the video. Watch it till the end. Make sure to like, comment and share. Anyway, if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. And some of you have been asking how this procedure goes. So I usually go to the client's home and remake the bed, that is. So as you can see on my videos, you will notice that the venues or the places that I make them are totally different. That is because I usually go to my client's home and remake the bed. This is a process that takes one full day. That is from the morning till late, like 6 in the evening. So it's a full day job. So that is usually how it works. I usually go in the morning and then leave in the evening. This is contact glue that you see me using. So whenever you see me using it, just know this is contact glue. It's a glue that helps me attach the foam onto the headboards or onto the surface that I'm working on. I hope you have enjoyed this video till this far, and I hope that you've already liked it. And if you haven't, this is your chance. Make sure to like it, comment and share. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos, because we have more contents on your way. We have a lot of things coming on your way, and we usually don't do only beds. We do a lot of things. So I'm just organizing myself to start doing other stuff and uploading them because I have videos.